On June 19, drone footage captured by industry analyst Joe Tetmeyer revealed extensive land grading operations at the Giga Texas site. This was not a routine factory expansion. It signaled the earliest physical preparation for what could become an industrial empire. At the same time, Grimes County approved a substantial package of tax incentives for a proposed mega-facility near Gibbons Creek Reservoir. The scale of the project is astonishing, spanning more than 22,000 acres. The site could eventually reach a physical footprint roughly 10 times larger than the current Giga Texas complex. Even more remarkable than its physical size is its financial trajectory. Publicly available information indicates that the project's initial investment commitment has surged to approximately $55 billion, while long-term projections across multiple development phases could reach $119 billion. This represents a dramatic leap from the $25 billion estimate that Elon Musk mentioned in March. Such a rapid escalation raises an important question. Is this expansion the result of a carefully calculated industrial strategy, or is it a vision evolving even faster than its original assumptions? TeraFab Secret Mission inside Giga Texas. Behind the closed doors of Giga Texas, TeraFab has reportedly been assigned a confidential mission, transforming Tesla from a fabless chip designer into a fully vertically integrated hardware powerhouse. The concept envisions Tesla, together with its closely connected ecosystem, including SpaceX and xAI, exploring whether a unified manufacturing platform can simultaneously support autonomous driving hardware, humanoid robots, and radiation-hardened aerospace chips. Within this framework, automotive chips must be optimized for extremely low cost and mass production. In contrast, aerospace applications require chips engineered for exceptional durability and resistance to the harsh radiation environment of space. Combining these two fundamentally different engineering philosophies under one roof remains highly controversial. Semiconductor experts view such an undertaking with considerable caution because simultaneously optimizing both cost efficiency and space-grade reliability presents enormous manufacturing challenges. Nevertheless, the mission remains unchanged. Build a manufacturing system capable of managing up to 1 terawatt of computing capacity per year to satisfy the enormous data demands of Musk's growing industrial ecosystem. The unexpected TeraFab-Intel partnership. To shorten the decades-long learning curve normally required to build an advanced semiconductor fabrication facility from scratch, an unexpected alliance appears to be reshaping the industry's landscape. Recent reports suggest that Intel has entered advanced discussions to integrate its next-generation manufacturing technologies, specifically its leading-edge 14A process node, into the TeraFab project. This surprising collaboration blurs the line between Tesla's ambitions for in-house manufacturing and strategic cooperation with external partners. By leveraging Intel's lithography expertise and semiconductor manufacturing know-how, Tesla could avoid reinventing the complex process physics required for sub-2 nanometer fabrication. Rather than functioning as an isolated Tesla experiment, TeraFab may evolve into a sophisticated multi-party semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem, with Intel contributing critical process technologies that make large-scale production of advanced transistors technically achievable. TeraFab's growth from $25 billion to $119 billion. The project's financial expansion from $25 billion to $119 billion illustrates its transformation from a conventional factory into a massive industrial complex operating without traditional subsidies. Once the development expanded to more than 22,000 acres, the original multi-billion-dollar estimates quickly proved insufficient. The rapid increase in capital requirements suggests that the project's true scale only became apparent after detailed engineering studies and land development planning began. Such enormous investment requirements have divided Wall Street. Some investors believe the $119 billion vision represents a revolutionary breakthrough that could position Tesla at the center of the world's AI infrastructure. Others view it as an extraordinarily high-risk diversification strategy that could consume enormous amounts of capital long before Tesla generates meaningful semiconductor revenue. TeraFab's contracts reveal the hidden reality. While public attention focuses on the eye-catching $119 billion projection, legal documents filed in Grimes County reveal a far more calculated, risk-managed strategy. In large-scale industrial developments, legally binding commitments are typically structured around minimum investment thresholds rather than absolute obligations. Official filings indicate that SpaceX is committed to investing at least $5 billion by 2030, alongside strict employment targets extending into the mid-2030s. The significant gap between these conservative, legally binding minimum commitments and the ambitious long-term public projections reflects a standard corporate strategy. It enables Musk to secure political support, obtain valuable tax incentives, and strengthen investor confidence while preserving the operational flexibility to slow or reduce capital deployment should macroeconomic conditions deteriorate. TeraFab's empire plan behind 200 billion chips. At the heart of TeraFab's long-term roadmap lies continuously growing demand, driven by an estimated requirement for more than 200 billion integrated circuits throughout the lifetime of Musk's business empire. Every fully autonomous vehicle requires dense, redundant inference chips. Every Optimus humanoid robot depends on dozens of specialized microcontrollers and sensor processors. Meanwhile, SpaceX's expanding satellite constellations require a continuous supply of aerospace-grade silicon. Relying exclusively on external foundries to manufacture hundreds of billions of chips creates a significant strategic bottleneck. A geopolitical conflict or another global pandemic disrupting traditional semiconductor supply chains could severely impact Musk's entire industrial ecosystem. By controlling raw semiconductor production internally, TeraFab is designed to ensure uninterrupted silicon availability, allowing Tesla to scale its products without being constrained by third-party manufacturing capacity or geopolitical disruptions. TeraFab is building its own city. The unprecedented scale of the Grimes County development has effectively eliminated dependence on public infrastructure. Rather than relying entirely on Texas's already strained ERCOT power grid, SpaceX is reportedly planning to develop an independent energy system. The facility is being designed as a fully self-sufficient industrial city. Plans reportedly include dedicated natural gas power plants, privately operated water treatment facilities, and independent emergency services infrastructure. This level of self-reliance underscores a harsh reality. TeraFab's projected demand for electricity, water, and computing capacity is so enormous that integrating it into the region's existing public utilities would be extraordinarily difficult. The infrastructure itself has become an engineering challenge nearly as complex as the advanced chips the facility intends to manufacture. Why Tesla can't wait for Samsung. Although Tesla continues to maintain a close partnership with Samsung Electronics for its next-generation AI5 and AI6 automotive chips, relying solely on an external foundry exposes significant structural limitations. Reports indicate that recent delays in Samsung's advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing roadmap have pushed back production schedules, highlighting the inherent risks of the fabless business model. Even the world's most talented chip designers remain completely dependent on their manufacturing partners' production schedules, equipment availability, and yield performance. Tesla simply cannot afford to wait for outside foundries to resolve manufacturing bottlenecks, while its autonomous driving and humanoid robotics roadmaps face increasingly intense competition. This growing frustration is a primary driver behind the TeraFab concept, an ambitious effort to control the entire hardware supply chain by integrating chip design, semiconductor fabrication, and system deployment into one unified corporate development cycle. TeraFab connects Cortex, Optimus, and AI chips. To fully understand the project's scope, it is important to distinguish between different layers of AI infrastructure, which are often confused in public discussions. Tesla's Cortex-2, for example, focuses on large-scale AI training clusters that integrate GPUs and AI accelerators into massive supercomputers used to train neural networks for autonomous driving and robotics. TeraFab, by contrast, operates at the foundational hardware level. It is responsible for manufacturing the physical silicon wafers and AI chips before they are assembled into computing systems. These initiatives are not competitors. They complement one another as deeply integrated layers within Tesla's vertically integrated manufacturing strategy. Once fully realized, data generated by Tesla vehicles and Optimus robots will continuously feed back into Cortex training clusters, enabling more capable AI models, while TeraFab simultaneously manufactures the hardware needed to deploy those increasingly advanced systems. Together, they form a self-reinforcing industrial feedback loop. TeraFab's strategy to break free from Nvidia. Today, the global AI industry remains heavily dependent on one extremely expensive supplier, Nvidia. Technology giants spend billions of dollars each year purchasing Nvidia GPUs and software ecosystems to power their AI models. For Musk's companies, this dependence represents both a major financial burden and a significant strategic vulnerability. TeraFab represents Tesla's long-term strategy to reduce that dependence. By designing custom silicon specifically optimized for Tesla's AI workloads and manufacturing those chips internally, Tesla could gradually replace third-party AI accelerators with its own solutions. This strategy removes Nvidia's profit margins from Tesla's cost structure, protects Musk's companies from GPU supply shortages, and ensures that Tesla's hardware architecture is perfectly optimized for its proprietary software ecosystem. The milestones that could change everything. TeraFab's transition from an ambitious vision to an operational reality will be defined by several critical milestones throughout the coming decade. Continued infrastructure development in Grimes County and the actual deployment of Intel's 14A manufacturing equipment will provide the first tangible indicators of the project's technical feasibility. In addition, a potential SpaceX IPO could generate the substantial capital required to support the factory through its notoriously unprofitable early production cycles. Ultimately, however, the true measure of success will not be construction milestones or political announcements, but the unforgiving laws of semiconductor manufacturing. If Tesla and its partners can achieve stable sub-2 nanometer production yields faster than traditional foundries, they could fundamentally reshape the balance of power between Silicon Valley and the world's established semiconductor manufacturing centers. The real question facing Grimes County is no longer whether the project is massive or ambitious. It clearly is. The real question is whether an industrial ecosystem of unprecedented scale can be executed faster than the long-established industries it seeks to disrupt. Beyond the factory itself, TeraFab represents Elon Musk's boldest attempt yet to extend Tesla's philosophy of vertical integration into the semiconductor industry, an arena long dominated by TSMC, Samsung, and Intel. If Musk can compress development timelines while lowering manufacturing costs, TeraFab could become one of the most disruptive industrial projects of the AI era. With the global semiconductor market expected to exceed $1 trillion by 2030 and AI infrastructure investment accelerating worldwide, the rewards for success are enormous, but so are the risks. For Elon Musk, TeraFab is far more than another factory. It is an opportunity to redefine the economics of advanced chip manufacturing and establish Tesla as a direct competitor to the companies that have led the semiconductor industry for decades.